good moving the Bohemian Cowboy. Well, we got a bunch of flatbeds passing me up here, drop decks. And this one up here in front of me there has got a bunch of drill bits there. Where they drill down in the ground there for the holes, for the oil fields, I guess. And this has got the same thing here too there. You see a bunch of drill bits there, long suckers. Look how long those sure look like drill bits. And something to do with oil fields, I'm sure. So it's coming out of Texas. So there's 1, 2. There's the third one. That one's got straight stuff on. Looks like it's just a regular pipeline. But that one didn't look like it had the drill bits on it and stuff. So that's the third one. Here comes the fourth one. That one looks like, you know, it's got drill bits on it. Looks like it anyhow. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. Don't know where they're going, but that one's all straight stuff there too there. But sure, it's for the oil fields. And 5 of them together. But a couple of them there, those look pretty light. Road's a little rough. And it's a beautiful day out here today. Sun's shining. And it's about 72 degrees right now. And out here in Oklahoma, up here, north of Oklahoma City. So that was 5 flatbeds there. That was John Deere roller out there. Oh, guess what? There's one more. Last but least. That's 6 of them. The other one's had all Peterbilt. He had a Freightliner. And well, there's 6 of them. So happy trails. Be safe. Bye.